Should we do spaghetti? You know. Oh, chat. Did you
That's a
guys
good
know that there's
question.
tacos now?
Yeah, there's
I didn't know that there's
tacos. We got
tacos.
fish. We got pizza.
And spaghetti.
We got spaghetti. Oh, also I didn't get to say it, but thank you for the gifted, Mr. Albizi. I appreciate it.
Hi, Mr. RBZ. Thank you for the gift.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tell Millie to write each characters, both hiragana and katakana, 100 times. What? What was that?
Oh, that's my fan service.
Oh, that's your fan. Okay. Is it like
Yeah,
mouth
they like
noises?
Yeah, my meow meows like it.
Oh, okay. Okay, your meow meows. All right.
Yeah.
I get it. All right then. Okay. Well, let's hope we hear a lot of that throughout the stream. Okay,
Oh yeah,
so,
every super
tacos.
chat. Oh,
I know what tacos are in real life. I just don't know what they are like. You know?
Oh, you have to change it here.
Oh, the floor. Okay.
Here.
Millie, they said that they don't like it. Is that?
Oh.
Can you verify?
I don't think so because they've been sending gifted members. See?
Ah, I see. Okay, so is this like a? Are they like tsundere? Is that what it is? Like a tsundere type beat? They say that
Yeah,
they
I
don't like
think
it, but
so.
they love it. Okay.
Yeah. See, they've been sending it.
Interesting. Well, thank you guys. Maybe I should make mouth
Thank
noises
you.
too. I might start that. Is that like that's like fan
Yeah.
servicey? I didn't know that.
You want me to teach you?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
So, okay, so
Okay.
can you feel your throat?
My throat?
Yeah.
What is a throat? Like a throat? Is that like a part of your throat?
Throat.
Oh, your
Your throat.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can feel that.
Okay, so when you talk, right, you have to
Mhm.
constrict your throat. Like you're choking. What?
Sorry, I got something caught in my eye. I was trying to get it out.
This is what you learned this on vocal school. They teach you this one. This is like what not to do. So if you know what not to do, you know what not to do.
I was really trying to.
You know, like your throat has two folds. So just imagine it like this. I don't know if you could hear it. Like... Why is Jesus in here?
I'm running through the meadow, flowers that speak to me.